Hey guys, so it's me. It's been a while. I haven't done one of these whistle vids in a bit, so I don't know, felt like it. I was actually just looking through my old like footage from like 2011, back in the day, yeah, of doing some whistle tunes, and I found like one of my very first ones. It was like the Zelda song. So it's like I'll show you a little bit of like a before and after, I guess. Yeah, because I don't know, you guys haven't seen me in a while. I got the beard going on, been hibernating, video gaming like nobody's business. But yeah, like here's let me find it. Here's like a old school me doing this song. I'll like give you a tidbit of back then to what I can do now. Let's see if I hopefully sound quality is decent. I like totally whistle myself. Yeah, but I'm probably a little bit stronger in whistling now. Maybe I could probably even like remix this shit. But yeah, let me just see how the quality is on this phone because it's pretty new. Just the same song. Let me see if I can bring it back. So here it goes. Hopefully that sounds okay. I'll post it up and see what happens. Later, guys.